Hola Mary and Susan, this is a review of class number 5 and I'm going to start with the verb decir, to say, decir. Digo, yo digo, a soft G, digo, dices, dice, decimos, dicen. Again, digo, dices, dice, decimos, dicen. Okay? Now the exercises. ¿Qué dices? ¿Qué dices? What do you say? ¿Qué dices? Digo que no. Digo que no. Yeah? This is a short answer. Now you can say, if you're saying something else, or you want to say a longer answer, you can say, digo que voy a ir a la tienda. I say that I'm going to go to the store. Yeah? Digo que voy a ir a la tienda. Yeah? You answer with digo que. If they are asking you, ¿qué dices? You see? ¿Qué dices? Digo que voy a ir a la tienda. Okay? Remembering the question is the answer. En la pregunta está la respuesta. Next one. ¿Por qué dicen eso? ¿Por qué dicen ellos eso? Yeah? Now here you can change the question. Instead of ¿por qué dicen? You can say, Mary, ¿por qué dices eso? Yeah? Or Graciela, ¿por qué dices eso? Yeah? Then, decimos lo que pensamos. Nosotros decimos lo que pensamos. Now remember in this sentence you have a direct pronoun, lo, yeah? Which is replacing what you think, your thoughts. Yeah? Decimos lo que pensamos. Now here you're using we, nosotros, decimos. Now you can say, digo lo que pienso. If it's you, digo lo que pienso. Okay? Okay, the question with tú. Susan, ¿por qué dices eso? Yeah? Then the answer would be, digo lo que pienso. Yeah? Or if you want to give the reason, then you give the reason. Susan, ¿por qué dices eso? Digo eso porque quiero. Because I want. I say that because I want. Yeah? Or whatever. Digo eso porque siento. But you see, you answer with por. ¿Por qué? The question is, ¿por qué dices eso? Then the answer is, digo eso porque quiero. Or digo eso porque es la verdad. Because it's the truth. You see? In the question is the answer. ¿Por qué dices eso? Digo eso porque es la verdad. It's the truth. Just an example. Okay? Next one. ¿Ustedes no dicen nada? You don't say anything? You don't say the word? Yeah? Now here you can change it. ¿Por qué? Or ¿tú no dices nada? Now it can be a question or it can be an affirmation. Tú no dices nada. Yeah? Or ustedes no dicen nada. An affirmation instead of a question. Okay? Now here with these exercises you can play with a conjugation. Okay? Now practice. Practice in the question is the answer. You ask a question, you answer according to the question. Okay? Great. Next one. The verb oír. to hear. Oír, oír. Oigo, oyes, oye, oímos, oyen. Yeah? Now here in this conjugation, you have a Y. You have to pronounce the Y. Oye, yeah? Oyes, oye, ye, yes, like you saying yes. Yeah? Oigo, oyes, oye, oímos, oyen. Oímos does not have a Y. Yeah? Oímos. Oigo, oyes, oye, oímos, oyen. Okay? Now the exercises. Oigo ruidos. Oigo ruidos. Ruidos. Noises. Yeah. Hey, Susan, oigo ruidos. Oigo ruidos. Yeah? Next one. Mary, ¿oyes eso? Do you hear that? ¿Oyes eso? You see my facial expression? ¿Oyes eso? Yeah, you have to do the expression, otherwise it will sound flat. Like, ¿oyes eso? Yeah? No, it's like, ¿oyes eso? Do you hear that? Yeah? Okay, next one. Él no oye bien. He doesn't hear good. Él no oye bien. Yeah? Or you can change it for ella, or usted, or whoever. Nosotros no oímos bien. Yeah? O yo no oigo bien. Okay? Next one. Oímos las noticias en la mañana. We hear the news in the morning. Or we listen to the news in the morning. Oímos las noticias en la mañana. Now here again you can play with the conjugation. Oigo las noticias en la mañana. Or yo oigo las noticias en la mañana y Susan oye las noticias en la tarde. I listen to the news in the morning and Susan listens to the news in the evening. Yeah? Great. Next one. ¿Oyen lo que digo? ¿Oyen? Do you guys listen what I say? ¿Oyen lo que digo? Yeah? Now let's play with two. Mary, ¿oyes lo que digo? ¿Oyes lo que digo? Yeah? Now if I'm talking to you, Mary, the answer would be yes or no, of course. Sí, oigo lo que dices. You see, we have here another direct pronoun. Sí, oigo lo que dices. Tú. I mean, me. You're answering me. Sí, oigo lo que dices. Or, no oigo lo que dices. See? Again, in the question is the answer. Mary, ¿oyes lo que digo? Sí, oigo lo que dices. Okay? Great. Next one. Now we're here with two verbs. Conjugation of the two, or use of the two verbs. Yeah? Now we say that when you use two verbs, only the first one is conjugated, always. Yeah? And usually, the first verb that is used when we use two verbs, those are verbs that are non-physical action. Yeah? Like necesitar, to need. ¿ya? Or esperar. Or esperar qué. ¿Ya? To hope. Or to expect. ¿Ya? In this case, it would not be to wait. Okay? Now, next one, desear, to wish, desear. Next one, tener que, to have to, tener que. You see the difference between to have and to have to. In this case is tener que, to have to. Next one is pensar, to think. Next one is deber de, yeah? To ought to. Poder, to be able to. Poder. Preferir, to prefer. Preferir. Querer, to want. You see, those are verbs that are non-physical action, just like intellectual or emotional verbs. Okay? Now, and again, the verb, I explained you, the verb esperar has three different meanings. One for to wait, one for to hope, one for to expect. And I give you the examples. Esperar, to wait, espero el camión todos los días. I wait for the bus every day. Or espero el tren en la mañana. Yeah? Or espero el avión porque voy a viajar a La Paz. Okay? So, espero. Or remember, when you use esperar to wait for a person, you use the mysterious a. Espero a mi amiga. Espero a Mary. Espero a Susan. Espero a Graciela. Yeah? To wait. When you use it with a person, you use a. Espero a. Okay? That's the meaning to wait. Now the next one is esperar, to hope. Yeah? I have here, espero que sí. I hope so. Espero que sí. Or espero que no. Yeah? I hope. Espero que sí. Espero que no. Yeah? Another example is espero terminar la tarea. I hope to finish the homework. Now here you're using two verbs. Yeah? Espero terminar la tarea. I hope to finish my homework. Yeah? That's the meaning of the verb to hope. Now, esperar, to expect. Yeah? Espero visitas en la tarde. I expect guests in the evening. Yeah? Espero visitas en la tarde. Yeah? Or espero, you see here, if you use a una persona to one person, you use a again. Espero a Graciela en la tarde. Doesn't mean you're waiting for me, it means you're expecting me in the evening. Espero a Graciela in the morning, in the evening. Yeah? You are not waiting for me right now, you are expecting me in the evening. Espero a Graciela en la tarde. Or espero a mi mamá mañana. Yeah? Great. Now, let me see. In order to use the verb esperar with another verb, you have to use the verb or the to hope meaning. Yeah? For example, espero llegar a tiempo. I hope to be on time. Espero llegar a tiempo. You're using the verb to hope. Yeah? When you're using two verbs. Now, espero encontrar fruta fresca. I hope to find fresh fruit. Espero encontrar fruta fresca. ¿Ya? Now, espero viajar a La Paz el próximo año. I hope to travel to La Paz next year. You're hoping. ¿Ya? Espero viajar a La Paz el próximo año. Okay? Now, the conjugation of the two verbs. First with the verb esperar, necesitar. This is the conjugation of one of the examples. Necesito comprar. Necesitas comprar. Necesita comprar. Necesitamos comprar. Necesitan comprar. ¿Ya? Necesito comprar zapatos nuevos. I need to buy new shoes. Necesito comprar zapatos nuevos. Or necesitamos comprar los libros de español. ¿Ya? So, with whatever person you want to conjugate, you can add or build a longer sentence. Here, just to practice. Now, next one. Tengo que limpiar. Tengo que limpiar mi casa. ¿Ya? Tienes que limpiar. Tiene que limpiar. Tenemos que limpiar. Tienen que limpiar. You have to clean. Okay? Next one. Poder. Puedo